4 competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion. Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And for the appetizer round, we are looking at chicken livers, California raisins, heirloom tomatoes, and green goddess salad dressing. You have 20 minutes on the clock, starting now.
I like the flavor of chicken livers. I do not like the texture. It ends up just like becoming a mush in my mouth. But my fiance's mom taught me how to cook chicken livers less than a week ago. How fortuitous that they are in the basket. When I look at the pantry, I see pizza dough. So I think I'm going chicken liver pizza route for this.
I see that there is a frisee lettuce, which is so French. I'm making chicken liver salad. And I know that if I'm going to win this round, I have to combine it with bacon.
Take out all the sinew and all the stringy parts and innards. It's awful. Not awful, awful. The chicken livers and raisins, they're a classic combination, especially with the cognac.
Fresh, comforting, and rustic. I decided I'm going to make chicken livers, country fried. I didn't break the livers down because I don't mind sinew.
I'm very concerned about Dimitri. It's like a deer in the headlights.
My dish didn't come out anywhere near what was in my head.
1 minute left, chefs.
Time is ticking down, and I know I have to make a choice between getting the spinach to the crostinis or putting the sauce onto the plate.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef William, please tell us what we have here.
Okay, I presented sauteed chicken livers with tomato and raisin and green goddess dressing.
You've done a great job. It's a delicious dish.
Thank you.
It is very, very delicious, but this is extremely undercooked.
Next up, Chef Jessica.
We'll call it sauteed chicken liver crostini, topped with spinach, the green goddess dressing, and the raisins.
I really like the idea of a crostini, and I think it's a perfect first course appetizer. But I would have liked more flavor. You need to rub some garlic in the crouton. The liver needs salt and pepper and shallots.
Actually, my chicken liver is seasoned perfectly, and the bites that I'm getting are very flavorful.
Chef Dimitri.
It's sauteed chicken livers, mustard cognac sauce with fennel grilled tomato.
If you now got any, would you want to eat this?
Not at all, sir.
It's not pretty.
Chef Jean-Louis.
All right, today I cook for you a frisee with lardon, topped with pink, flourless chicken liver. The sauce is heirloom tomato and the green goddess.
The tomato is delicious, the raisins are delicious, the bacon is delicious, and parts of my liver were delicious. But I got raw liver and with connective tissue, which is ultra pink.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jessica, you've been chopped. Chef William, Chef Dimitri, Chef Jean-Louis, please open your baskets. You must use branzino, baby bok choy, celery soda, and fortune cookies. You'll have 30 minutes to make your main courses. Time starts now.
I'm going to do a fortune cookie breaded fish with a rosemary, celery, soda, beurre blanc.
I'm deciding to do oven roasted branzino with a fumé butter sauce with a white wine.
I know branzino very well. I have fished for it before, and I know the shortcuts to taking out all the bones. You just kind of give one good nick. You take all the fish bones, throw them into a pot, make a quick little fish fillet, and a beurre blanc.
What I need to show the judges is a really nice presentation. I wanted to make sure that they had $10,000 worth of prize-winning food.
And chefs, you have 60 seconds left.
This fish is definitely gonna get me round 3.
Just grab it and go, man. Time is ticking.
The skin on my fish It was crispy when I took it out of the pan, but by the time I added the sauce, it softened the skin.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Dimitri.
You have pan-roasted branzino with fortune cookie garnish, a beurre nantais, and a bok choy sauté.
I just want to say congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Never thought I would enjoy a fortune cookie cremolata.
Next up, Chef Jean-Louis.
I did a bronzini, a crumble of a fortune cookie with bok choy and the celery soda. I use a bone for fumet and red onion for crunch.
Sauce is fantastic. The bok choy is great. The fish, it's wonderful. This is probably the best cooked fish I've ever had on Chopped.
Last entree, Chef William.
It is a fortune cookie crusted branzino, sauteed baby bok choy and celery, soda, white wine sauce.
And am I correct in noting that I'm the only one that has the sauce?
Yes, you are, sir.
Can I try something, sir?
Yeah. It's got a lot of sage.
It's good.
It's heavy on the sage, but it works with the fish.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef William, you've been chopped.
You know, Marcus just said that the both of you hit home runs, and you really did. You guys are neck and neck. So you guys got to bring this. Come out guns blazing.
No pressure.
No.
No, not at all. Jean-Louis, he's got some age on me, but I know my stuff.
I have a great connection with Dimitri. Dimitri could be my son, but I'm going to win.
Chef Jean-Louis, Chef Dimitri, let's dive into dessert. Please open your baskets. And you must use sourdough bread, dried figs, baby fennel, and coffee beans. You have 30 minutes for your final course, starting now.
French toast with an attitude. Deciding at the same time to do a caramel with the coffee and figs.
I put some cognac with some sugar and the bulbs into the pan. I just want to candy it, transform it from a savory vegetable to a sweet licorice. It's like a nightmare I wish I could wake up from. I dug my grave, made my bed. That's it.
And 30 seconds.
30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Dimitri makes me a little bit nervous right now. I need to see him finish this dish.
Where is it?
There's $10,000 at stake.
I just started throwing sauce on the plate with utter disregard for beauty.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Jean-Louis.
I did for you a pain perdu with chibouste, figs, and coffee.
I really get the fennel. I really get the figs. And the chibouste and the French toast is delightful together.
Last dessert. Chef Dimitri.
What you have is French toast. I don't know the fancy French words from him, but it's French toast with coffee foam, dried fruit chutney, and cognac candy fennel.
The coffee and the French toast is awesome.
Thank you.
Love the consistency of it.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Dimitri, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Jean-Louis Geron, that you are the chop champion.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Chef.